decades and hopefully many more decades to go. We love you so much. Thank you for all the sacrifices you've made for this family, and hanggang ngayon, hindi ka pa rin tumitigil sa sacrifices na ginagawa mo para sa amin. So, thank you for being such a wonderful dad, and now for being such a wonderful grandfather. Love you!
Happy 60th birthday!
Sana po mag-enjoy kayo ngayong special day nyo. More blessings to come, good health, and more birthdays to come po.
Happy 60th birthday, Dad. Naway pagpalain ka ng Diyos at bigyan ka ng maraming kaligayahan at magandang kalusugan. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal ng buong puso at walang pag-aalinlangan sa pagsikap para bigyan kami ng magandang buhay. Kung ano kami ngayon ay dahil sa inyo, ni Mami. Happy birthday! Love you!
Bye! See you soon
See
po!
you! Bye-bye!
Hello, Dad. I want to wish you a happy 60th birthday and welcome to your senior year. Thank you po sa lahat ng sacrifices na ginawa niyo po para sa amin. Mula sa pagpunta sa Saudi para sa magandang buhay na hanggang ngayon po na nagpapatuloy kayo magsikap para sa amin. My wish for you is to have a long, good, healthy, blessed life and to have a happy heart and mind. Ingat-ingat na rin po sa kain. Ayun, miss ko na po kayo ni Ma'am, so I hope to see you soon. I miss you and love you. And happy birthday from the Philippines.
So happy birthday, Dad. It's your 60th birthday. You're so old na. And I just wanna say congratulations to your new job. I know mahirap. Just like what you've done to us, you've always done the hardest sacrifices. The hardest work just to support your children, and we can never be more thankful than that. I can never be more thankful, and I just wanna say I hope you have fun on your birthday. You know, the church here we celebrate, kain. I hope you continue to keep Mom happy, and most importantly, yourself happy. I hope you keep taking care of your body, mag-exercise always, along with your beautiful wife and amazing mother. And I hope you stay that height para malampasan kita. Thank you for what you've done. Thank you for being faithful to Mom. You know, always be God-fearing, be the most hardworking person in the family. Even at your age, you're still outworking your children. Also, thank you for all of the things that you provided me just to keep on going, you know, sa school, sa life. You've done so much for your children, more than you even know. Thank you for being our role model, the best father we ever had. You've motivated us so many times just with your work ethic. You know, when things are down and I know I can't do it, I just think, Dad's so old but he still can do it, why can't I? So yeah, you're the one motivation I've always needed to keep going, and I forever thank you for that. And I also thank you for taking care of your children, raising the way that they are, responsible, hardworking, you know, mayaman. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your 60th birthday. I love you, Dad.
Magandang buhay. Happy birthday, Bayaw, Lloyd Castro. Wish ko na bigyan ka ni Lord na mabuting kalusugan at mahabang buhay. Ganun na rin sa iyong pamilya na i-guide sila ni Lord at gabayan sa araw-araw. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Lindoy. May God lead you and guide you always. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday!
Hi Lindoy, happy 60th birthday sa'yo. Sana enjoy mo ang pagka-senior mo. Enjoy your life. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you!
Lindoy Mapilindo sa Benicio Castro. Born July 15, 1964. Wow. 60 golden years. Sa kabutihan ng Panginoon, na-reach mo yung ganyang age. Still looking young and still fresh. I love you so much. Happy birthday at nawa patuloy kang gamitin ng Panginoon sa ating church at marami pang makakilala, mawin na soul sa pag-evangelize mo. Thank you so much dahil napakabuti mong tao, napakabait. Lahat na siguro ng dreams ng isang babae ay nasa iyo na natagpuan ko. Naiyak ako. Happy birthday. Dawa mga more birthdays to come na may celebrate natin ang ating mga kaarawan together kahit na kulubot na tayo. I love you so much. Happy birthday.